What's up, y'all? Guess where I am? I guess you can tell I am in my kitchen. I decided to dust it off so that I can make some cakes. We're gonna start with a little hype music, get us going. We run this month. Who runs the world? Girls. Who runs the world? Girls. All right, second cake's underway. Real one. Ain't nothing to it. Boss. All right, so butter has been whipped. I do not enjoy making icing. Like, it is rather messy. All right, so pretty good crumb coat. Put this in the refrigerator and I'm gonna get started on the second layer.